2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. With less than 74,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, backup camera, tinted windows, electric motor, plug-in electric, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.